Hi, I am Prarthana KM. Now I am presenting my assignment 1 Unity project It Me. Gameplay. Phase 1 has focused on setting up the basic game. Here in the Unity scene, you can see the main camera and canvas which contains the score text and live text. I created a target prefab using a 2D circle sprite with a rigid body 2D component and collider. This allows the target to move and click. In the hierarchy, I have spanner game object which is responsible for generating targets at random position. The target controller script controls the target movement and handles the click detection. When the player clicks a target, the game manager script updates the score. If a target is missed, a life is detected. This phase helped me understanding Unity prefab system, 2D physics, and basic UI updates. Phase 2 Game Mechanics. Phase 2 focused on improving game mechanics. I implemented multiple targets per wave, increased the difficulty by changing spawn rate and target speed, and added a game over panel. Here you can see the game over text appears when the player loses all lives. The restart button allows the player to play again without restarting the Unity editor. I adjusted the target speed and lifetime dynamically to make the game more challenging over time. This phase taught me how to manage game states and smooth player experience. Phase 3 Player Profile and All of Fame. In Phase 3, I added a player name input panel. Before starting, the player enters their name and selects difficulty. This is done using TMP input field and drop down for difficulty. The game manager pauses the game until the player starts. After clicking, the game begins. I also implemented leaderboard system. Scores are stored in JSON file in application persistent data path. The top scores are displayed in the half of the fame panel at the end of the game. The all of the fame shows players' name and scores in decreasing order. This phase helped me understanding persistent data storage, JSON handling, and improving the UI. Phase 4 Advanced features. Phase 4 added audio, pause, resume, and exit functionality. I created an audio manager game object with multiple audio sources. One for background music looping continuously, another for sound effects playing when player hits or misses a target. Here you can hear the hit sound when I click the target and the miss sound when her life is lost. I also added a pause panel with resume, restart, and exit buttons. Pressing the escape key shows this panel. The resume button continues the game. The restart reloads the screen. The exit button quits the application. I adjusted the button position. Resume on the left, restart in the middle, exit on the right. I also enhanced the game over text with outline and color to make it more visible. UI and audio overview. All UI elements are placed inside the canvas and panels like game over, all of them, player name and pause are disabled initially. They are activated only during the relevant game state. The audio source are assigned properly in the inspector. Hit and miss sounds are triggered by game manager methods, add score and pause live. Background music loops during gameplay, enhancing player enjoyment. To summarize, basic gameplay with a score and lives, game mechanics and game over system, player profile and leaderboard with the JSON storage, audio phase, resume, exit, and enhanced UI. This project taught me a Unity workflow, CI scripting, event handling, prefab usage, and audio integration. Thank you for watching my demo. I am happy to answer any question about the design choices and implementation.